Here is a tutorial on how to use external YOLO models with OAK devices. The same workflow applies if you trained a custom model using the Ultralytics library. Start by downloading the latest YOLO model from the official website. Here we downloaded the instance segmentation model with 640 pixel size, but you can choose from many existing options. Once downloaded, sign into your Luxonis Hub account and go to Models tab. Here you can see your existing models as well as add new ones. Select the YOLO model type and then select the platform you are converting to. Now create a name and upload the previously downloaded YOLO model file. In the next step, give your model instance a name. You can also customize additional parameters here, all of which are documented in our docs. In the final conversion step, define the model's input shape. Input size changes are supported, but we recommend keeping the same aspect ratio. After a couple of minutes, the conversion process should complete and a success message will appear. Click the Models tab again, and your model will now appear in the list alongside the others. The easiest way to run the converted model is by using the generic example from our OAK Examples GitHub repository. Once cloned, navigate to the root workspace, create and activate a virtual environment, and install the required dependencies. To run your converted model, you will need to provide the model link, target device, and API key as arguments to the main script in generic example. Run the OAKctl device list command to retrieve the serial number of your connected OAK camera. Next, you'll need to provide the model identifier. Navigate back to Luxonis Hub and click the Copy button next to your model variant. If you chose to keep your model private, the last thing you'll need is an API key. You can generate one in Luxonis Hub under the API Keys tab. Be careful to keep your API key secret, as it grants access to your private models. Now we can finally run the script. Open the local link in your browser to view the camera stream with live YOLO detections.